Welcome to World's Knowledge Book. Committees of the Constituent Assembly. Union Powers Committee. Chairperson Jawaharlal Nehru. Union Constitution Committee. Chairperson Jawaharlal Nehru. Provincial Constitution Committee. Chairperson Sardar Patel. Drafting Committee. Chairperson Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. Chairperson Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Fundamental Rights Subcommittee. Chairperson J.P. Krupalani. Minorities Subcommittee. Chairperson H.C. Mukherjee. Northeast Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Excluded Area Subcommittee. Chairperson Gopinath Bardoli. Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee. Chairperson A.V. Thakur. Northwest Frontier Tribal Areas Subcommittee. Chairperson A.V. Thakur. Rules of Procedure Committee. Chairperson Dr. Rajendra Prasad. States Committee. Chairperson Jawaharlal Nehru. Steering Committee. Chairperson Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Finance and Staff Committee. Chairperson Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Credentials Committee. Chairperson Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. House Committee. Chairperson B. Pattabi Sitaramaiah. Order of Business Committee. Chairperson Dr. K. M. Munshi. Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag. Chairperson Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Committee on the Functions of Constituent Assembly. Chairperson G.V. Maulankar. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. Chairperson S. Varadachari. Committee on Chief Commissioners Provinces. Chairperson B. Pattavi Sitaramaiah. Expert Committee on the Financial Provisions of the Union Constitution. Chairperson Nalini Ranjan Sarkar. Linguistic Provinces Commission. Chairperson S.K. Dar. Special Committee to examine the draft constitution. Chairperson Jawaharlal Nehru. Press Gallery Committee. Chairperson Ushanath Sen. Ad hoc Committee on Citizenship. Chairperson S. Varadachari. Please subscribe, like and share our channel World's Knowledge Book.